My dear children, so today we are going to do subtract the decimal numbers. We have finished add the decimal numbers, arrange and add. Now we are on to subtraction. Okay, over here we have to remember to put the numbers one below the other. And if there are no numbers, what must we put? Yes, good, 0. So let's begin our subtraction, which many of you know very well. So 2 minus 5. We must remember also that if the top number is smaller, what must we do? Borrow. Borrow from the next number. So 2 is smaller than 5, we borrow from 4. Now 12 minus 5, 5 is here. From 5, count till 12, 5 is here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 7. Decimal point. 3 minus 6. You have 3. Can you give me 6? No. So what should we do? Borrow from the next number. 13 minus 6. Some of you may not know mentally. Some of you know by counting. So the easiest way to count, 6 is here. From 6 count till 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 7. So you get the answer 7.7. Wasn't that easy? Was easy. So here we first look at the numbers. There's no number here, so we add a 0. 7 minus 0, 7. 6 minus 7, some of you are saying 1. No, it's not that. The top number is smaller, so you should borrow. 16 minus 7, 7 is here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much did you get? Very good, you got 9. 0 minus 3, you've got nothing and you have to give me 3. Can you give me? No, so you must borrow from the next number. 4 becomes 3 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 3, 7. Decimal point. 3 minus 7, we must borrow. 13 minus 7, 7 is here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 6. 2 minus 8, borrow. 12 minus 8, 8 is here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 and 1. So when we subtract these two numbers, we get 146.797. Now here, we don't have to add any zeros because all the numbers are there. So 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 9, we must borrow, yes. 15 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Should we count to 16? No. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much? 6. 2 minus 8, borrow. 12 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 minus 3, we don't have to borrow because the top number is bigger. 9 minus 6, 3. So that's what you get. Now here we see a top number. There's no top number. So when there's no number, we must add a 0. Okay? We must put a 0. Now, just like you have done these sums, borrow. 10 minus 5, 5. Again, we must borrow. 13 minus 4, 4 is here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 9 point. Again, borrow. 12 minus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 5. Again, you got 1, borrow. 11 minus 6, 5. And 0. There's no number. You don't have to put the 0, or you can put it. Okay? Now here we see that there's no two numbers. There are numbers here, but above that there's no numbers. So what must we do? Put 0, 0. Now 0 minus 6, we must borrow from this number. But this number also there's 0. So what should we do? Borrow from the next number. 9. Just like you go to your mommy to borrow, your mommy doesn't have any money. She tells you to ask her dad, so you go and ask your dad. Okay? And your dad also doesn't have any money. He says, go to Boju and ask. And then you go to Boju and ask. Okay? So you ask from Boju. Boju gives here. And from here, it is given here. Now, 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 7 minus 9, borrow. 17 minus 9, 8. 6 minus 8, borrow. 16 minus 8, 8. 5 minus 9, can we subtract? No, we must borrow. 15 minus 9, 6. And bring down this 7. Wasn't that easy? It's easy, but we must remember, if there are no numbers, put a 0. Let's do the last sum now. Put a 0 there because there's no number. So what should we do now? Borrow. 10 minus 6, 4. 3 minus 9, we cannot, so we must borrow. 13 minus 9, 4. Okay? 1 minus 7, borrow from 6. 11 minus 7, 4. 0.5 minus 9, borrow. 15 minus 9, 6. 8 minus 8, should we borrow? They are equal number. You've got 8 and I am 8. Can you give me? Yes, you can. And how much will remain with you? 0. So we didn't borrow from 7, so bring down this 7. So addition is easy. Don't just get puzzled by this decimal number. It is the same thing as we have done in at the beginning of the year when we did subtraction. So the children, I hope you have understood. Till we meet in the next class. Bye for now.